Hey guys, today's video is a little different, but it's an important one. If you've been following this channel for a while, you might have noticed something new. The Unleashed Garage is now officially Downshift Garage. When I first started this channel, it was all about experimenting, trying new things, sharing projects, and just getting content out there. And I'm proud of everything we've done so far. But over time, the direction of the channel has started to evolve. The projects got more focused, the quality improved, and most importantly, the community started growing. I realized it was time for a name that better represents what this channel is all about. Why Downshift Garage? Because it's more than just a name, it's a mindset. Downshifting is what you do when you're ready to take control, whether it's lining up for the perfect corner in autocross or slowing down to wrench on something in the garage. It's all about intention, skill, and precision. This channel is about building, learning, and driving, not just showing off shiny cars. With a new name comes more focused content. Expect more how-tos, more garage upgrades, more driving footage, and of course, more autocross and motorsports content. The mission is still the same. Help regular drivers build better cars, gain confidence, and hit the track with purpose. If you've been rocking with me since the Unleashed days, thank you, seriously. Your support means everything, and if you're new here, welcome to Downshift Garage. Now's the perfect time to hit that subscribe button, turn on notifications, and get ready for what's next. And hey, if you've got thoughts on the new name, want to see something specific on the channel, or just want to talk shop, drop a comment below. I read every single one of them. This is Sam from Downshift Garage, reminding you, put the pedal down and let her rip, and I'll see you in the next one.